Hey everyone friends, welcome to the Weiler channel. Today I'll show you what to do if a transaction is rejected and you can't create a private server in Roblox. Well, usually it's because you can always create one free server in Roblox, right? Typically. Let's take any server as an example. Okay? Here you can create a private server. See? It's free at first, but when you click buy, the transaction fails. So, to fix this, first check the minimum player age for this server. As you can see, there's no age limit here, but other servers might have age restrictions. This one needs 79 Robux to create a server. Right. To solve this, check your settings and make sure your birth date is correct. This is crucial because if it's wrong, you need to fix it to access these servers. Also, parental controls might be blocking private server creation in some games. So, most likely, age restrictions or parental controls are preventing you from creating private servers. This has been Weiler. Goodbye, everyone.